Hello YouTube, this is Alarm Fan 8 today, and today is April Fool's Day.
April Fools!
Right, now, so we're actually doing a comeback for the channel. We've got a few videos that we've filmed over the last couple of months, but we've never actually put these on, so we've decided to do a comeback video today on the channel, because we are quite busy with the Vacuum Man 8 channel as well, but I think we can cram in a bit more. So we're looking at uploading at least once a month on the Alarm Fan 8 channel. It may be every 2 weeks. It just depends how everything pans out and what we can get our hands on. So today is April Fool's Day, and it also is
National Smoke Alarm Day.
It's National Smoke Alarm Day. Now today is quite a special day, because what you're supposed to do on National Smoke Alarm Day is actually maintain and change your batteries. Now, we've got I think
I heard that on Sharpen today.
We did. So these three here are the ones, or four are the ones that we use in the Alarm Fan 8 household. We've got this one that's we use in the living room. This is what's that one called, mate?
Fire Angel Mini.
Yeah. And this one is a kiddie smoke alarm. They are slightly different, the new one. And it's a talking one.
No, the new one's got a built-in battery.
Is it?
Oh, we won't get a new one too.
Now they got the first generation Nest Protect, or the Google Nest Protect now, but this is a Nest Protect. And we also have the second generation one. So what we're going to do, we're just going to show you basically what sort of what should we do at least once a year. Well, once a year we should really at least once a year you should maintain your alarms. Now what you need to do, you need to go to the instructions or Google your alarm and make sure that you're doing it properly, because each alarm, like a lot of them, you need to vacuum the sensors out with, but on this one here, it's just the first generation one, you need a can of compressed air.
And I think the second generation one.
Yeah,
too. So
it just depends on which ones you've got. So, and also you do need to change the batteries as recommended. Now you don't really, so the best thing to do is, if you've got these cheaper ones, you just want to go to Poundland and buy yourself the alkali batteries.
And this one takes special ones. Right,
so show them the battery in here. We've just got one for demo here today.
This one lives in there.
So that's a rechargeable one. That's a test battery. We'll show you the sort of battery we'd put in it. So we'll just make sure this one works then. So what alarm is that? So this is just a basically an EI Electronics smoke alarm. I think they're only about £5.
That one's from, what do you call it? What's shop that from?
Home base, wasn't it?
No, not home base. That's from Wilkinson's.
Wilkinson's.
Or Wilco's, what they call it now.
So the next one, this one,
Ticks.
has got a. Well, I would say as well, you want to get good quality batteries, because your smoke detectors and the smoke alarms do save lives. It's no point putting cheap ones in there, and I'll explain to you later on. So this one, we have gone for a Energizer. I think that one went about 6 months ago, didn't it? And that one lasted about five or 6 years.
And this is the loudest one we got. This is probably going to wake you up.
I think the battery was about £5 alone just for this battery.
No, and this is the best. It's going to wake you up in a deep sleep.
So if this one goes off, it's extremely loud. That's extremely loud. For the size, it's one of the loudest ones you can get.
And you can see how tiny the hole is.
And if you don't like looking at smoke detectors, that's an ideal one to have, isn't it? Because you can hardly notice them, can you?
You need to go find.
How much for these? I can't remember. I think these are about £20 maybe, I think.
That's the heat detector ones.
And they do on the heat detector as well. The next one is a kiddie. There are various generations of these.
They've got the older one, what's got a round button.
So what you're going to do now, you're going to...
And the new one's got a round button, but it's got a built-in battery.
Right.
10 year.
So this is the sort of batteries we need to buy.
Cheap.
Yeah, see that one there is an alkali battery. You don't want to buy the very cheap ones, because if you buy the really, really cheap ones, I mean, the Duracells would be better.
Just got all the battery out of it.
Right. And then when you put back in this one, I've had one of these before.
Push
Test button. No, and you take out the battery and just charge it. It makes that noise.
Push
Test button.
Press.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
So that one gives you that one gives you a voice. Also, this one will chirp when the battery goes, doesn't it? Most of these chirp.
No, I think it talks too. It chirps and talks.
Yeah. So I think it does it the first time when the battery goes, and then it just keeps chirping. This one do chirp, and that one chirps. Now we're going on to 21st century technology here. We're going on to the Nest Protects. Now these are very expensive, but these are, I think, when I bought these were £89. I think you're looking at £100 each.
God.
They're better to get a pack of 3.
We are placing this one.
Yeah, this one, if I think we look at the back of the ear, look. It says August 2014. See, it says there, look, August 2021. You're supposed to replace that one. So it should give you a notification. Now these...
You know, when August 21 is?
Now these will have next year. So
that will be beeping next year.
yeah, and it'll probably tell you. So these give you notification. I'll go show you on the app now. What I would say not to do is if you had these before Google bought out Nest, because they're called Google Nest now. You've got the Google Nest Home, which is their speaker, Google Nest Doorbell. The problem is if you go to the Google account and you just say you've got a standard account and you have a Google account, you transfer it to the Google account, you lose a lot of the controls on it. Like for instance, we did a video when we actually set these off and we had all the lights flashing, didn't we, in the rooms. When I switched to Google, don't do that no more now. I even tried to put my Philips Hues on a Google account and it still didn't work. So I would recommend not to do it. They just talk, all Google want now is to just talk to Google stuff, which is not the way smart home should work. You should, you know, at the end of the day, if you the whole idea of a smart home is for things to work all together. You know, like for instance, Nest, like if you've got, say, what's the doorbell called? What doorbell we got?
Ring.
We got the Ring doorbell. When the doorbell goes, if you've got Amazon Echoes, they talk as well. So you've got that. So if you're in the bedroom, you've got an Echo in your bedroom. Somebody presses the doorbell, it will say there's somebody at the door, as well as notifications. And also your Philips Hues can also go on, or any smart bulb will also go on if it's after a certain time, like after sunset. I think that Google, a bit like, oh no, you're only going to be using Google products. That's not the way it should be. Some products, yes, but I think Philips Hues, which is like the #1 lighting, should be allowed. So yeah, so we go to the app here now. We'll cut the video. As you can see, we have the hallway and the upstairs. They recommend that carbon monoxide should be on on the ground floor and upstairs as well, because obviously carbon monoxide is a silent killer. You can't smell carbon monoxide. It's just there. So what we do, we go to the hallway, which was the first generation, and it should say it does a checkup look. So it tells you the battery 14 hours ago is fine, the Wi-Fi is good, and the sensors are good. You press done there on that one, and then we go to upstairs. Now this one is the second generation look, and this one's a little bit more advanced look. So it's done the sensors, the alarm test 9 days ago, the voice 9 days ago, the battery 51 minutes ago, and the Wi-Fi. The other thing, the unique thing with this one is you can actually test the alarm on this one. Yeah, before we get on with it, I'll just let you know that this one, you do need compressed air to clean this one, and I think this one here, you vacuum. Now these do need to be vacuumed or cleaned every 2 months. Not every 2 months, at least every 6 months. This one is more susceptible to dust than that one and the sensors. This one has an improved sensor. If you do any DIY work, you want to take the sensors out. If you're sanding,
No,
if you're painting.
No, this one's got a cover.
Yeah, and some have got covers, but I would recommend just take them out, innit? And put them outside when you're doing it. So what we'll do now, we'll give this one a test. So we can. So normally this countdown, we'll do it on the actual
We know.
on the alarm, but we're just going to do it that way. So
Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Just a moment. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.
done. And then it says everything's okay. Now, before we get onto it, I'm going to show you the batteries. We just open the back up. This one here is probably the easiest one to get into.
Just try.
Go on then. We don't want to. Now these are the batteries that you have to buy for this one. Now, when the battery went on this one, I did try Poundland batteries. Just while I was ordering the other ones. The Poundland ones, the cheap ones, lasted about a week in there. So you cannot put cheap batteries at all on this one. The only batteries that work well on there, and they're designed for it, is the Energizer Ultimate Lithium. So these are like what you'd have in like your rechargeable cordless vacuums, sort of cell wise, but these are non-rechargeable ones, and these are quite expensive. The odd thing with them is you have to buy a pack of 6. Now you can't buy a pack of 6. You either buy 4 or an 8. There are sellers on eBay that actually you can buy packs of 6, but it's economical just to buy 8 and just keep the other 2 if you've got more than one. I think, how long did the battery last on that one?
Don't know.
About 4 years, 4 or 5 years. So this one lasted about 4 years with the batteries. Carl was testing it quite a bit. These also have got like a night light, so if you've got a sensor in your hallway, you walk through, instead of putting your lights on, it lights up. It lights the hallway up.
It's got a sensor built into them.
Yeah. So that's that one over and done with. So yeah, so those batteries, quite expensive, not very, very available in the shops anymore. They used to be, but I think they got some other ones, but you need to get the lithium ones only. But overall,
You have to unscrew this one.
you have to unscrew that one, yeah. So that's an improvement. So this one you have to take the top off. You have to take the top off this to actually clean the thing as well. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Happy smoke detector day. We're going to do now quickly, Cole's going to do a little
Ready. Upstairs. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Warning, carbon monoxide. Just a moment. Finishing up. The test is finished. Everything looks fine. Finishing up. The test is finished. Everything looks fine.
How about that for loudness? Smoke alarm day in it. So happy smoke alarm a day. Nice day out there today. Just an informative video. We've got plenty of videos coming up on Alarm Fan 8. Sorry I haven't done a video for a while, but I was going to upload last week. But we decided to reintroduce the channel again on National Smoke Alarm Day. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Alarm Fan 8. We have got some alarms and we have got some fans. So we do like alarms and we do like fans. So that's why we call it Alarm Fan 8. It's not because we are an alarm fan, because Carl likes fans and he also likes alarms. So yeah, so bye for now. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again in a couple of weeks. Bye.